Hi guys, it's me Jean. Today is June 19. Yeah, it's actually already 4:42 p.m. I just had my nap. Actually this morning I had my checkup from my every second week checkup for my baby. Yeah, I'm on my 38 weeks this week. And yes, and now when we check our post, I got my stuff from eBay. I actually ordered a Casemate Waterfall casing for iPhone 8, and I have it here now, and I'm gonna open it now. And also I've got this one. I think this is for my postpartum. I don't know, I'm not sure, but I'm surely gonna show you. So let's see, let's open it. Ayun siya guys, naka-bubble wrap. Ayan. Here. Oh, it says here Casemate Naked Tough Waterfall Dual Layer Protection Double for iPhone 6, 6S and 7. Though my phone is iPhone 8. So let's see. I think here that if you have an iPhone 8, you can also get the casing from iPhone 6 and 7. So let's see and let's try. So this is, yeah, my receipt. It was delivered by Royal Mail. Anyway, I got this guys for 11 euro 90. 11 euro 90 cents. Yeah, so that's it. So we keep that. May paganyan siya dito, which I find it very easy to open. Yeah, it looks like that. So I hope it fits. Though guys, I'm using now my iPhone 8 for the video, so I'm gonna still show you if it fits on my phone, but first I'm gonna show you the product. Okay, you just need to open. Oopsie, go. Yeah. It has like that. It's like a bumper, 2-piece protection. Yeah, shock absorbing bumper. I hope it doesn't break. And may cover pa siya, plus ganito. It's cool, right? It goes like that. And it goes like that. It's nice. Yeah, it says anti-scratch technology. It shows like that. That's what it looks like. Yeah, may plastic po siya guys, so let's remove it. May plastic pa siya. May pa-plastic siya dito din sa may pa plastic din siya dito, but I will remove that once it will fit on my mobile. Let's see if it's going to fit. I actually like it, you know. I really love to have like this. So let's see if it's going to fit on my mobile. Sa video to medyo iba yung quality kasi I'm using my old mobile, the Samsung Note. So since I have no camera, yeah, so let's see if it's going to fit. I'm gonna wipe first. So ganito, tatanggalin mo yan first. I think that's need to do. you have to cover the bumper here. Yeah, it's like that. And to the other side also. Yeah, it fits now. Okay. You're gonna first put the bumper and this one, then sorry guys, I am not really an expert in doing a video for stuff like for stuff like this, but I'm trying to give you my impression, but I really like it though. And then yun, nilagay ko na yung bumper niya dyan sa side, so it just need to be fitted. That, and then it shows like that. You can see, go away, pour it down, and glitter lang siya, may pag glitter siya guys. So that's it. So it's really nice, I really like it, and for that price it's really cheap. I got it so cheap. May pa-sequin siyang ganap. And that's it guys. That's what it looks like. You're gonna shake it. Yeah, and it says in the bottom, Casemate. So that's it. So that's it guys. Oh, this is actually a girdle guys. It's for postpartum girdle. So the second package I got guys is a postpartum girdle or a binder. Since I'm pregnant now, so I'm trying to get some stuff for postpartum thing. So let's open it. I got this for €6 something. They don't give a receipt here, but I got this for €6 something. It's actually on my mobile, the price, much I paid. Yeah, simple binder. May smell pa siya galing factory or I don't know. Yeah, it shows like that guys. Size free size. Shows like that. Yeah, like that. And you're gonna wrap that on your tummy. You're gonna wrap that like that. You're gonna wrap it like that in your tummy. And do it like that. And I think this is really effective because when in my first birth, after birth, I also used binder before, but it is not like this. It's actually my mom who got that for me. So when after giving birth, so since you have a loose tummy from birth, since the baby is gone, so you have to use a binder like this, bring your figure back. Yeah, well, I hope this time lilit pa din yung chan ko. So let's see. Now I'm prepared for my postpartum stuff. I have that now for myself. So that's it, guys. That's it for that's all I have now. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you. Bye.